Hello guys. Well, let's see. Today started off pretty good. Walk in the park, getting some nice fresh air. There's some nice pre-winter air. Still not winter yet, but it's close. But actually it's not a bad day today. Not too bad temperature-wise as well. Although not too much sun. It was very cloudy. But like I said, did a walk in the park. Then with my daughter, we went over to get, I guess you would call it a brunch, since we had it right around, well, we had it right around noontime, so it was, I guess, a lunch. And we had our fruit craving. So, of course, we went to what we always go to with that, and that's Playa Bowls. And so we get acai bowls, and it's so good, as you can see. So that's where we started the day. She is now off to work, and what I've decided to do for this video will be a travel video. I'm going to go ahead, since I am so longing to travel again, and obviously specifically to the Philippines. I figured I'd put together a travel video from our cruise. When I say our, me and my two daughters, which was at the beginning of 2020, actually January of 2020, just weeks before everything got shut down. So not too many cruises happened after that for quite a long time, but we were lucky enough. I mean, I planned this almost a year in advance, so we could have really gotten the screws put to us if they canceled this on us. But I mean, obviously we would have got our money back, but still, we were so excited to go on it. So this is our cruise from 2020. So enjoy.
Flight attendants, please be seated for departure.
lost without you.